The study of life is called blank: chemistry, geology, biology, physics. The process by which energy is released from food is blank: excretion, respiration, reproduction, growth. The removal of wastes is called blank: excretion, respiration, reproduction, growth. The ability of a living thing to make more of its kind is called blank: excretion, respiration, reproduction, growth. Which of the following is not something that all living things can do? Take in nutrition, move or respond to the environment, chew their food, reproduce. All living things blank, which means they increase in size or increase in the amount of material contained. Excrete, reproduce, grow, respond to their surroundings.